Precious is like...
It's so hard to cut through anymore.
Precious, you can't go in the box. It's too small. It's a shoe box, not a kitty box. Besides, you have a box over there on the floor, right there.
I don't want that one.
Get away from my friend's Christmas or birthday gift. I already gave you some tissue paper. That's my friend's second birthday gift.
She says, oh well.
So stay away from it. I like those shoes. They're like pink and purple, white and gray. And I think that's yellow on the side.
Yeah. I didn't want the bright pink ones.
Well, yeah, let's just have Grandma walking down the street with hot pink shoes. Everyone's gonna be like, what's she doing? Or they have it's like highlighted colors now. People think it's the most popular thing to do. Let's dye my hair hot pink, hot yellow, hot green, hot blue. Yeah, let's just walk down the street. Are you trying to get noticed or something?
One time, Daddy and I were going downtown. This young girl, I would say she was probably maybe 16. Young. Purple. Blue. Black. Green.
Orange?
Yeah. Orange. Another color beside here.
So pretty much like rainbow with hot...
I said, there's one for you, Joe. He goes, thanks, Mom.
Yeah, let's just have a girl. Then again, girls have different tastes in women than guys do. Like Uncle Phil, when he said that one time, he asked this girl out and she said, sorry, I'm married, it's just my ring's in the shop being fixed. And he said afterwards he was embarrassed by it. I'm like, well, you don't know because she wasn't wearing a ring until you asked. No. Precious, you're not gonna get that box. I'm thinking about it. I might get in that box.
Put it over top of you.
Yeah, we'll put you in a shoe box.
Huh? Put you in the box.
What are you doing, cat?
Well, see? I can put in it. You're still going to try, aren't you? It's like that tiny box I told you about one time.
Yeah.
You would have laughed your head off for trying to get into this stupid thing. And she couldn't figure out how to get into it. I'm like, okay, Kat. Like, you're not going to fit in there.
No. Precious, what are you doing?
See, you can't fit in there.
That's not your box. I'm sure I can find like 5 different ways to use that box. Crafts, jewelry, that's shoes if you don't want to wear them right now. Use it for extra clothes. Use it as a Christmas gift. She's got a butt sticking out.
Get your bum sticking out.
She's
It's
like,
not big enough, is it? See, you can't get in there. You're too big.
she's like, I don't know. I'm gonna try.
Really?
Let me try.
Let me see.
I'm gonna try to get my body in here.
Okay. How do I make room in here for me? See? You can't fit.
Let me just move around a little.
There we go. Now, see, I told you I could.
You just got your butt sticking right out. Look.
Are you comfortable? Like your bum sticking out. You're not going to get your bum in there.
She's like, but my butt's sticking out. I want it in the pot.
Have you figured out how to do it yet?
Her butt's still sticking out.
See, you're too big.
Your butt is still sticking out.
The other box is bigger. You can fit in it better.
Yeah. Like, look, there's this other box. Precious. That's not your box.
Silly.
That's for Grandma's shoes that she got.
Wait till I tell Papa of you trying to fit in the shoebox. He'll just shake his head.
Or even better, it's on record. You could easily show him too. So look, here's Precious trying to get fit in the box. By the way, you're not in the box all the way. I'm gonna try something. We're just gonna close Kitty in the box.